Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the complete import process, a guide that I wish I had when I first started out. Let's unravel this complex world step by step. First up is procurement. Think of it as the backbone of importing. You've got to source your products, negotiate, and finalize your supplier. This is where you decide what you're going to order and from whom. Sounds straightforward, right? But there's more to it. Next, you enter into what's called a performance advice with your supplier. This is essentially your contract. Some call it a quotation, others a performance advice, but either way, it's the formal agreement on what's being ordered. Now, with the performance advice in hand, it's time to talk about insurance. Add about 10% to the total amount of the performance advice for your insurance. This ensures that your consignment is secured. Following insurance, you'll need to acquire a letter of credit, often abbreviated as LC, from your bank. This is a crucial step, as it guarantees your payment to the supplier through their bank. The LC ensures trust and initiates the actual shipping process from the supplier's side. Once the goods are shipped, you receive various shipping documents, like the bill of lading or airway bill, depending on the mode of transport. These documents are essential for the next step customs clearance. This is where your custom clearing agent comes into play. You can't deal directly with customs, so this agent acts on your behalf, handling all the necessary paperwork and payments of duties and taxes to get your goods through customs smoothly. Finally, once cleared, the goods are delivered to your store or warehouse, completing the import cycle. Sounds like a lot? It sure is, but understanding each step clearly helps manage the process more effectively. So, whether you're a seasoned supply chain manager or just starting out, knowing these steps can make your importing operations run like clockwork. Stay tuned for more detailed dives into each step in future videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insightful content.